Is your hard-earned money just collecting dust in the bank? If you're looking for ways to make your cash work for you and ensure a more secure financial future, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 2 investment options, the S&P 500 Index and real estate. But there's more to explore. We'll also dive into the advantages of investing in gold, land, treasury, inflation-protected securities, TIPS, and the fascinating world of Bitcoin. Stay tuned until the end to uncover these profitable opportunities and learn how to protect your wealth against inflation and economic fears. How does the historical performance of the S&P 500 compare to traditional savings accounts, and what makes it an attractive option for investors? Let's find out. Number 1. The potential of investing in the S&P 500. Putting money into the S&P 500 index is like giving your money care so it can grow instead of letting it sit there. This index comprises a diverse range of U.S. companies and historically has outperformed traditional savings accounts, offering an average annual return of approximately 10%, inclusive of stock price appreciation and dividend income. A noteworthy advantage is its passive nature, requiring minimal management expertise and time. By investing in the S&P 500, you're diversifying your funds across numerous companies, reducing overall risk. Many of these companies also offer dividends, which contribute to your investment growth through a phenomenon known as compounding. Nonetheless, it's vital to remember that S&P 500 values can fluctuate, sometimes resulting in financial losses, particularly if you don't hold your investment for an extended period. How does the tangibility and flexibility of real estate as an asset contribute to its appeal for investors, and how does it help in reducing overall investment risk through diversification? Now we discuss number 2, benefits of investing in real estate. Investing in real estate brings numerous advantages compared to keeping money in the bank. It often appreciates over time, delivering long-term gains. Renting out property generates steady income, surpassing typical bank interest and offering financial stability, especially in retirement. Real estate acts as an inflation hedge, with values and rental income rising with the cost of living. It provides attractive tax benefits, including deductions and leverage for amplified returns. Real estate is a tangible, flexible asset. Diversifying with real estate reduces investment risks, as its performance doesn't always align with stock or bond markets. What are the unique advantages of owning land, such as its low-maintenance nature and flexibility for development or leasing? Here we discuss, but wait, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Number 3. The perks of owning land as an investment. Investing in land offers several advantages over letting your money sit in a bank. Land tends to appreciate over time, making it a valuable investment, especially in growing areas. It doesn't wear out, and its value depends on factors like location and local demand. The limited supply of land adds to its appeal, with increasing demand as populations grow. Land can generate income through farming, timber, minerals, or rental properties. It's low maintenance, with no utility bills or repair costs. Land ownership provides flexibility for development, leasing, or holding. Like real estate, land hedges against inflation and diversifies your portfolio. However, land isn't the most liquid asset, and expenses like property taxes and zoning regulations need consideration. Seek professional guidance for successful land investment. How does gold serve as a hedge against inflation, and what makes it a reliable store of value compared to traditional currency during inflationary periods? Let us continue to find out. Number 4. The value of gold as an investment. Investing in gold is a smart move when you want to safeguard your money against inflation. Unlike regular money, gold can't be endlessly created by governments, so it tends to maintain its value, especially during inflation. It's also a safety net for your country's currency. As your money's value decreases, gold's price often goes up. This makes it ideal for places with shaky economies or high inflation. Gold is a reliable option during uncertain economic or global times, and it behaves behaves differently than stocks and bonds, providing a risk-diversifying benefit. It's universally accepted and valued worldwide. However, gold's price can be volatile. It doesn't generate income, and storing and insuring it can be costly. There are various ways to invest in gold, including gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs. How does the yield on TIPS compare to the interest rates provided by traditional savings account, especially when considering the impact of inflation? Discover it now. Number 5. Why TIPS beat keeping money in a bank. Treasury-inflated protected securities, TIPS, are a reliable choice because they protect your investment from inflation, ensuring your money's value doesn't shrink over time. They provide regular interest payments and offer a low-risk option as the U.S. Treasury backs them. While TIPS may not match the returns of riskier investments, their yield often exceeds a typical savings account's interest rate, especially during inflation. They're easy to buy and sell, and you can get them in small amounts starting at $100. TIPS exchange-traded funds make it even easier. However, remember that TIPS are more effective when inflation is on the rise, and deflation can lead to a negative principal adjustment. Nevertheless, you'll still receive at least your original principal when they mature. What factors contribute to the speculative potential of Bitcoin, and why is its ability to quickly surge in price enticing to investors? Find out now. Number 6. Why Bitcoin has attracted investors and the risks to consider. Bitcoin, born in 2009, has had a tumultuous ride in terms of price. Still, early investors have reaped substantial rewards thanks to its limited supply, only 21 million coins, and decentralized operation, shielding it from censorship and currency devaluation. Often called digital gold for its scarcity and detachment from specific economies, Bitcoin's growing use in payments has boosted its investment appeal. Its speculative potential is enticing, given its ability to surge in price quickly. However, it's crucial to remember that Bitcoin's price is highly volatile and it's susceptible to regulatory decisions. Plus, its decentralized nature offers little recourse in case of loss or theft. Careful evaluation of risk tolerance and financial goals is essential for potential investors. To make your money work for you and secure your financial future, it's essential to carefully evaluate these alternatives and align them with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Professional guidance can be valuable in making informed investment decisions. How can you align your financial goals and risk tolerance with the right investment choices? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.